channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to go over standing forward bend. It's a wonderful stretch. It's actually part of doing sun salutations. It's a wonderful stretch that strengthens and stretches the spine for added flexibility. It strengthens and stretches the hamstrings and calf muscles, and it's just an overall wonderful stretch. You can do this as a standalone to practice before you get into sun salutations or any other part of your yoga practice. Yeah, so without further ado, let's begin. To begin, I like to spray the room with my Florida water from Amber the Alchemist. I'll leave a link to her site below. She has amazing goodies. Definitely check her out. To begin, you can stand at the top of your mat or just on the bare floor. Breathing in. Breathe in. Inhale the arms up to reach the crown of the head. On the next exhale, hinge at the hips. And fold forward over the legs, bringing the torso over the legs. If it's comfortable, you can stand here like this or have a slight bend at your knees. Rising back up with your arms stretched out, reaching the ceiling, back into Tadasana. And now I'm gonna go over a variation where we're bending the knees a little more. Raising your arms up on the inhale, exhale, hinge your hips. Falling forward. Now you can see that my knees are a little more bent. I have flexibility so I can straighten them, but I also want to show you another variation if you're just starting out with this posture. Now breathing in, straighten the legs. Exhale, rising up slowly. Reaching your arms up to the ceiling. Back down to Tadasana. And that's how you get into your standing forward bend. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. Please like and subscribe, share feedback. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and tune in next time. Bye.